What is up, you guys? A lot of you requested a setup for the KD-5 Goldshell miner. This first step is not necessary at all. I just changed the Chinese plug for a European one. So I cut the cord and then made it into a European one. I just did it so that I could plug it straight into the power supply, that it wouldn't have any distortion. But it works just fine with an adapter as well. If you get a Chinese to US or European plug-in adapter, it works fine as well, but I just did it this way. So just be mindful of that it does come with a Chinese plug. After that, you plug it into internet with an Ethernet cable. Once that is done, you can actually turn it on and then it should start making a noise. After that is done, you let it rest for a while. You press this little button over here and that will activate the IP. Then go to findgoldshell.com. Make sure that you're on the same Wi-Fi as the Ethernet cable is plugged in, that you're on the same network. Then it should show up over here in the Find Goldshell. You press on settings and here you see the stats. It should show up. Now press on lock on the top right corner and the password is 12345678 9. That should be standard in the beginning. Now you go to miner. Now we need to set it up with a pool. Now the best pool is poolflare.com and we go to Kadena. Now this depends on if you're in Europe, US or somewhere else. If you're in Europe like I am, you copy this link. In US is the other link and you paste it into this URL. Now you do need Cellcore. You just make an account, download the app, and then you paste your wallet ID for your KDA and you just type in a random password. I put 123. Now it should be activated and ready to go, and now it should be actually mining. So it's that simple, guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video.